I once had a dream about breakfast tacos, and the breakfast tacos that I'm talking about are pancake tacos. That's right, I am going to show you how to make this delicious pancake tacos with peaches and pancetta, and mwah, trust me, this is delicious. It's a super fancy kind of bougie brunch. Your friends are definitely gonna wanna come over and try this one. Under 10 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. I've got some pre-diced pancetta, and pancetta bacon, very, very similar, but I love the taste of pancetta, and I love the fact that it's already in these bite-sized pieces, which is what I'm looking for. So first things first, you wanna get this cooked because it does take the longest. So I have got 2 packets of pancetta, and these are only about 4 ounces. Yeah, 4 ounces in each of these packets. So a total of 8 ounces of your pancetta. Looks like I missed some in here. Gotta get all that pancetta out. All right, and then we're just gonna give it a quick toss here. Already smells so good. We are going to, here behind me here on medium low, I have a pan that's been getting nice and hot. We're basically gonna make a good compote, okay? Super easy, it's just a fancy word of saying kind of like a sauce. So in the pan here, I've got a whole stick of butter. Y'all know I love my butter. Next, it's going to be some brown sugar. I've got about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar that I am adding into that. And about a teaspoon of your vanilla extract. You can also use almond extract if you have that. And then right in front of it, I'm gonna do a quick fry, as you would say, a quick fry. Really quickly, I'm just going to cook down these peaches. It's gonna reduce the sugar just a tad. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to this. Let them cook down for about 1 minute, okay? What they're doing is they're kind of caramelizing within their own juices, with their own natural sugars, okay? While that's cooking down, let's talk about my pancake mixture. In a bowl, I've got 2 cups of my pancake premix. All it calls for is 1 cup of water. And I always do half and half. So do 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. You could do just water, you could do just milk. I'm gonna give it a big old mix here. Now make sure you wanna keep an eye on your peaches because I hear them sizzling behind me. We're gonna keep on mixing this up just until you can see that thicker consistency happen for you. Then we're gonna move back over to the griddle. Now our peaches are ready to rock. We're gonna give them a quick little toss. You could already see that caramelization happen. We are going to put these into your pot that you have prepared. Give it a good mix and set that aside. The pancetta is looking nice and crispy. Just give it a good little toss, and then we're gonna let this cook for just a minute longer. First things first, we gotta put down some butter. I just use some unsalted butter. I love butter with my pancake base just because it makes that pancake extra crispy and beautiful on the edges. Once we put the pancakes down, it's gonna be about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Remember, your griddle's gonna be on low. Really babysit these because these will cook quickly. Now the compote is looking great. And just a side note, if you want to, you can add some cornstarch or arrowroot. This will just make your sauce a tad bit thicker, which is what I decided to do here. Once that's done, we are going to flip our pancakes. They are looking beautiful and crispy, and it is now time to build. I just have our Blackstone taco holders, and I love to use this specifically with these pancake tacos because they hold everything nicely. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tongs, I'm going to press that pancake down from the middle to create that taco pocket. Then I'm gonna move over and I'm going to grab our compote and just layer that at the very bottom. Then we're gonna add that crispy pancetta. And then last, we're gonna do some ready whipped cream. I decided to go with the coconut milk, just a little healthier for these. And then a drizzle of maple syrup. And let's finish it off with some confectionate sugar for beauty purposes. And y'all, it is looking beautiful. I've got to give it a whirl. Okay, I'm going to take this one right here. It is so hot here in Florida that my whipped cream is melting like instantly. Oh yeah, it is really hot. Here we go. It is like flavor explosion. You're getting the saltiness from the pancetta. You're getting that sweet kick immediately from the peaches. And of course the brown sugar and that element of the coolness of the whipped cream. It really all just comes together beautifully. I know it sounds weird all of these together. But something about this breakfast pancake taco, it's definitely a crowd pleaser. You can make a ton of these. And like I said, this is like a very bougie brunch. So if you're having some family or friends over, maybe you're throwing a baby shower or a bridal shower, these would be really fun to serve. So under 10 minutes, that is it, y'all, from start to finish. Just remember, you gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you have to keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers.